The mobile phone is no longer just a communication device. It has become a personal vault containing your photos, bank accounts, work, secrets, and even your emails. This means if it's stolen, the real danger isn't the price of the phone. The real danger is that whoever stole it can access your entire life. Samsung recently announced a powerful feature called theft protection. This feature was designed to stop the tricks thieves and software shops used to bypass the lock screen and password. The new feature is available in the One UI 6.1.1 and One UI 7 updates on Samsung devices. Its idea is simple. Even if someone takes your phone and tries to change any important setting, such as password or fingerprint, the phone will ask for identity verification. Fingerprint face Samsung account. Also, if the phone is formatted or disconnected from the internet as soon as it reconnects, the device will lock itself automatically. It also comes with remote lock. You can use it from the website android.com/lock. What about other phones? Google Android in general has Find My device to locate or erase the phone, but not with the same strength as Samsung. Xiaomi, Oppo, Realme. They have similar services, My Cloud, Oppo Cloud, but also not as deep. iPhone, it has the strongest, called Activation Lock, which permanently locks the device to the Apple ID. Steps to activate the theft protection feature on Samsung. The feature won't work without a basic screen lock. From Settings, Security and Privacy, Lock Screen. Choose a strong method, PIN or password, avoid swipe or none. Add a fingerprint or face as an additional option. After this basic step, from Settings, Security and Privacy, Theft Protection. You'll find several options here. 1. Identity verification. Activate the toggle. It will ask you to log into your Samsung account, then add your fingerprint, and then add safe places. 2. Theft detection lock. When enabled, if someone steals your phone and runs quickly, the screen will lock automatically using motion sensors. You can unlock it with your fingerprint or screen lock password. 3. Offline device lock. When your device stays offline for a period of time, the screen will lock automatically. You can unlock it with your fingerprint or screen lock password. 4. Remote lock. When enabled, you can lock your device remotely if it's lost or stolen through this site, android.com/lock, by registering your phone number on the lost phone. So, after enabling this feature, you must add your phone number as primary. This feature isn't just an extra option on the phone. It's the last line of defense that turns your device from easy prey for thieves into a worthless piece without your original account. Activate it today and keep your data safe, even if the phone itself is lost. See you in the next video.